Bill from CFO Knives, doing a video on the new ciphers that came out. These are the tactical models. Just wanted to show them to you. If anybody has any interest, you can go to our website. It's www.cfoknivesllc.com. If you have any questions, just go to the contact page and shoot me an email. I'll be more than happy to answer any questions you may have. Here they are. They just came in. First off, you have a single edge, all black hardware. They're tactical models. This one does have the textured handle. All the single edges do. Next up is the tactical. This is a double edge, all black hardware. This has the smooth chassis. Then you have the tactical full serrated model. Again, smooth chassis, all black hardware. All these knives are made of M390 blade material. And again, I'm just showing them to you. The single edge version, tactical, is a model 241-1T. The double edge with the standard blade, that one is 242-1T. And then the full serrated, that's a 242-3T. Again, they're available on the website. If you have any interest, go take a look at them. cfoknives.com. Thanks a lot. Have a good day.